We're reading the Mishnah in Makkot, Parak Aleph, Mishnah Gimel, when we're talking about what happens if people are Edim Zomimim. If you remember, we talked about how Zamam means to conspire. Remember Penina's little evil laugh, ha 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 ha, that's Zamam. So if the people say, and remember that this is an actual quote, the people, if these witnesses say, Mi'idim anu et ish ploni, we testify about Joe Shmo, Shahu Chayav Makkot Arba'im, that this guy Joe Shmo did something that would require him to get Malkot. For example, if he ate kachin in the wrong place. That's one example. But there are many. Nimtzu zomimin, and then it is found, they are found to be conspiring, zomimin, lokin shmonim. They get lokim malkot. They get lashes, 80 lashes, shmonim lashes. Mishum, from the pasuk, because of lo ta'ana bere'acha a'id shaker, because of the pasuk in Shemot that we know from the Aseret HaDibrot that you're not allowed to testify falsely in court. That's the first thing. That's the first 40. Umishum, and also because the second 40 is because of the pasuk that we learned in Sefer Devarim, because of asitim lo ka'asher zamam la'asot lachav, that you do to him, to the witness, ka'asher zamam, like he conspired, like he planned, la'asot lachav, that you have to do to him what he wanted to do to the other guy. So the first 40 was because they were false witnesses, and he gets the punishment of 40 lashes because he was a false witness. Plus, the second 40 is because he wanted the other guy to get 40 lashes. So he gets those 40 lashes. So even though it's 80 lashes, the two 40 sets of 40 is because of different reasons. That is Divrei Rabbi Meir. Rabbi Meir says, by the way, that fits exactly what we saw in Mishnah Bet, where Rabbi Meir also said that it's two separate punishments because there's two things he did. The first thing was that he was a false witness, and the second thing is he was trying to hurt a friend. The Chachamim disagree. They say, Ein lokin ela arba'im. We don't give lashes, ela arba'im, except for 40. That means we only give 40. You're responsible until here. I'm going to go through the whole thing again quickly. The witnesses come and say, Mi'idim ani, we testify, et ish ploni, about Joe Shmo, shehu chayav malkut arba'im, that he did something that he deserves 40 lashes. Nimtzu zomimin, if they are found to be conspiring false witnesses, lokim shmonim, they get 80 lashes. Why? 140 is mishum, because of lo ta'ana bere'acha a'id shaker, because you can't testify falsely. And the second one is umishum, because of the pasuk, va'asitim lo ka'asher zamam la'asot lachav, that you do to him like they conspire to do to his brother. That's Divrei Rabbi Meir. That's what Rabbi Meir said. The Chachamim omrim, and Chachamim say, like they did in Mishnah Bet, Ein lokin ela arba'im, they only get 40. By the way, as a little bonus, remember, if you look, we have, in this case, we have two examples of a proof text. So if you look over here, we have one proof text over here, and we have one proof text over there. Thank you, guys.